What is cod? Cod is a popular saltwater fish known for its mild flavor, white, flaky meat, and nutritional value. There are two main species, Atlantic cod, also known as 𝗂𝗂𝗄𝗏, and Pacific cod, or 𝗂𝗂𝗃 macrocephalus. Where cod lives. Atlantic cod is native to the North Atlantic Ocean, found off the coasts of Newfoundland, Norway, Iceland, and New England. Pacific cod is found in the northern Pacific Ocean, especially off the coasts of Alaska, Russia, and Japan. Cod usually inhabit cold, deep waters, often near the seafloor on continental shelves. Please like and subscribe. Why cod is healthy? Cod is a lean source of high-quality protein and is rich in essential nutrients while being low in fat and calories, making it ideal for a balanced diet. Health benefits of cod include high-quality protein, which supports muscle maintenance, growth, and overall cell repair. Cod is low in saturated fat, making it good for heart health and beneficial for those watching their cholesterol levels. It's rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, which is essential for red blood cells and nervous system function. Vitamin B6, which supports brain health and metabolism. Niacin, or B3, helps manage cholesterol and supports skin and digestion. Phosphorus and selenium are important for bones, the immune system, and the thyroid. Cod is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, though lower than fatty fish, like salmon, which supports heart, brain, and joint health. Lastly, cod has low mercury levels, making it a safer option for regular consumption compared to larger predatory fish like tuna or swordfish. What cod has that other fish may not include a very mild flavor? Cod has a subtle, non-fishy taste, making it ideal for people who dislike the strong flavors of salmon, mackerel, or sardines. It has exceptionally low fat content. Cod is a very lean fish with much lower fat than oily fish like salmon or tuna, which is great for low-fat diets. Cod is generally lower in mercury than many larger fish like tuna or swordfish, making it safer for frequent consumption, including by children and pregnant women. Cod is a unique source of cod liver oil extracted specifically from cod livers, which is rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, a supplement prized for immune, bone, and eye health. Cod is high in vitamin B12 and selenium. While many fish contain B12 and selenium, cod offers these in high amounts with fewer calories and fat. Cod's firm, flaky texture holds up well to grilling, baking, and frying, making it versatile for many recipes. Finally, cod is widely accessible and affordable, often more widely available and less expensive than other fish with similar nutritional profiles. Cod liver oil, a traditional supplement made from the liver of cod, is particularly high in vitamin A, vitamin D, and omega-3s, which makes it stand out compared to oils derived from other fish. Please like, share, and subscribe.